Hey, excuse me. Hey, everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have an umbrella base, and I'm out here on the patio. So we're gonna go ahead and show you guys what you get in here. This is it here. Got this, and see what we got in here. We have wheels. Okay. There we go. So we have screws and pieces and parts. Okay, so the idea will be we will set these on here so it will have some ability to roll. Hopefully we have some screws. Yes, here are the screws for it. Go on that, and then we have this piece here, which is going to give us the other part. So let's go ahead and what do I do with the screws? Okay, so I'll show you guys. We'll set some of this up. There you go. That needs little runner and it'll walk through it. It'll roll around a little bit now, you'll see. But if we lock the wheel in place, we can put it where we want and then lock the wheels in place and then it won't go anywhere. And that is really cool. So that is going to be over there where those two chairs are. We're going to have an umbrella out there. So how cool is that? So totally nice. Okay, so you can see I have the umbrella stand here and I stuck my umbrella in it here. Let me just grab it over here. And you can see I made the umbrella nice and low. We can tighten this up here, put it in the right place, and aim it where it goes. But I made it nice and low because the sun just starts coming in and beating on us. So I have the umbrella on its low mode. I don't have the extension in there. But, so that's what we have to do that. And so this, totally, you fill it with the water, fill it with anything, and it'll hold up. And it's going to totally be sturdy. And I like the way it has the wheels. I can just flip these up. And then this will just roll around anywhere I need it to. And I can flip them down. And at that point, it's going to stay wherever I put it. So super cool. Great umbrella stand. And thumbs up for sure. Really nice.